everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to download Temu application on your iOS device. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your App Store. In the search box, appearing at the top, type in Temu and perform your search. Tap on the download button right next to the Temu application, which looks like this. Temu is an online marketplace that offers consumers with the widest selection of products across 29 major categories. It is known to be providing its consumer with the best prices, selection, and convenience. Once you download the application on your mobile device, tap on the open button to open the application, and there you have successfully downloaded the app on your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.